What's up guys, today's video is on the best dog grooming clippers. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Wahl Cordless Pet Clipper Kit. These Wahl Professional Animal Arco Cordless Pet Clippers are light and easy to handle and powered by batteries. They come in 5 lengths of trimming: number 9, number 10, number 15 and number 30 and number 40, along with 4 comb guides that come with them. Similar to all clippers, the higher number will cut shorter lengths. It permits precise grooming of faces, ears and paws of dogs of different sizes. Arco measures 6.75 inches long and simple to control, allowing novices to get comfortable with the art of trimming their pets at home. The sharp blade gives an evenly seamless cut through medium coats. It also didn't heat up in our tests, like some clippers can do. The device is not cordless, which means that you are able to cut your pet at the place you want to. The battery is rechargeable, that needs 75 minutes for a full charge. It can run for an hour. It comes with 2 NIM batteries are supplied together with a storage box and charger, a blade oil, cleaning brush and a helpful manual. The price is a little higher than other clippers, however it's made well, is easy to clean, and provides a variety of options which we believe is worth the cost. Number 2. Andis 22340 ProClip. If you're not willing to be concerned about battery performance, then it's the Andis 22340 ProClip 2-speed clipper is the best cord-powered tool we've evaluated. It comes with 2 speeds, either 2700 or 3400 strokes per minute, and the switch that allows you to switch speeds is placed a bit away from the user to reduce the chance of increasing speed in between a cut. The clippers are equipped with a number 10 blade that is usually enough for dogs' hygiene cut on their rear ends or around their paw pads. However, you might require additional blades based on the grooming requirements you have. The clippers work with a range of blades made by Andis, which include Ultra Edge, Ceramis Edge, and Show Edge blades, in addition to Auster A5 blades. For reference, that the greater the number of blades is, the smaller the coating will appear. Number 3. Aebers Dog Clippers for grooming. Aebers Dog Clippers. Aebers Dog Clippers come with a powerful motor as well as sharp blades to deal with difficult locks, such as matted fur and curly hair. The blade cutter head is adjustable and lets you choose the length you prefer, as well as the clippers come with 4 guide combs, which aid to give consistently reliable results during our tests. Once fully charged, clippers offer an operating time of 3 hours that we believe to be adequate for several grooming sessions. The model is affordable and didn't overheat in our tests and includes blade oil as well as the brush needed for maintenance. The motor can make a sound when it is in use, which could make dogs nervous initially, however we didn't find it to be disruptive to the grooming process. Number 4. Wahl Lithiumion Deluxe Pro. This Wahl Lithiumion Deluxe Pro Series rechargeable pet clipper grooming kit includes everything you require to start using at-home trimmings. 4 guide combs that are simple to snap off and on to trim your pet to the length you want. The base is comfortable to hold, but we did discover the switch that turns off and on to be out of the direction of our grip. This resulted in unplanned pauses during the middle of trimming. The blade also became some warmth, but it was not dangerous or anything. The clippers come with an extended run time of 2 hours when fully charged. It also has a quick charge option for shorter trimmings. The blade is able to cut through curly thick hair, making it a good alternative for poodles and mixed breeds of poodles. Number 5. Neabot P1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit. It is the Neabot P1 Professional Pet Grooming Kit, and vacuum is able to collect hair and fur as you cut. This gadget combines suction and hose from canister vacuums with the ability to switch the attachments to groom your dog, as well as aid in reducing time spent on cleaning up after grooming. The trimmer attachment comes with 4 guide combs that can aid you in reaching the desired length for your pet. It was easy to use and fairly quiet, however the design and noise of the vacuum could make your dog nervous at first. The kit comes with brushes and a de-shedding attachment that will aid in keeping your dog and your home tidy. It's easy to switch between attachments, and there are 2 additional attachments tools, a nozzle and an attachment for a brush to scoop all fur off the flooring as well as upholstery. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.